To install the Axxon ONE, regardless of the type of installation, do as follows. Open the Axxon ONE software package. Run the setup.exe file. In the list, choose the desired language and click Install. Select the Axxon ONE software installation type in the dialog box by clicking the appropriate option. Server and Client installs client and server services. The server keeps all records from video cameras, microphones, inputs and outputs, video footage, events and metadata databases. Failover Server and Client installs client and server services enhanced with the failover capability. In emergency, power outage, network problems, the failover technology restores the server configuration on another server. Client installs the client-side application that connects to the Axxon ONE server. Let us install Axxon ONE with the server and client configuration. To record all installation-related events to a log file, select the Enable Full Logging checkbox. Click Next. A dialog box prompts you to select the components for installation. Select checkboxes for the components that you want to install. Select all components if you have a newly installed operating system. Click Install. Accept the EULA license terms and conditions and click Next. Choose the destination folders for Axxon ONE components and click Next. In the window that opens, select an installation method and click the Next button. If the custom installation method is selected, you can perform advanced configuration of the installation of Axxon ONE. The file browser account, the configuration files folder, the port range. If you select default, the file browser account, the configuration files folder and the port range are selected automatically. A window opens where you can select an Axxon domain. Axxon domain, a selected group of computers on which the server configuration of the Axxon ONE VMS is installed. When you link the servers in a group, you can set up interaction between them to build a distributed system. A dialog box appears, showing the installation parameters. Click Next. When the installation is completed, click Finish.